Welcome to the world of digital tax-free shopping. With the Refundit app on your smartphone, your VAT refund is easier and quicker than ever. Here's how it works. Sign up quickly using your Facebook, Google, or Apple ID, or enter your email address. Step 1. Take a photo of all your receipts at the checkout at each store. Make sure receipts are fully visible, not torn, and that no tax-free stamp appears on them. You can upload as many receipts as you like. Some countries have minimum spend requirements. VAT regulations for the country you are visiting can be found in the Country Info section of the app. Step 2. Upload your passport. Your information is safe and your data protected with strict encryption technology. Step 3. Check in online and upload a screenshot of your boarding pass at least 5 hours before your flight. Your VAT request is digitally processed and sent to customs for review. Once approved, you will receive confirmation. When you arrive at the airport, confirm your location in the app. In rare cases, customs may ask to inspect your goods. At the customs desk in the airport, let them know you are a Refundit user, and you will receive a unique code to complete the refund process. Once approved, choose how you'd like to receive your refund. Credit card refunds can be processed in as little as 15 minutes following customs approval. Quick and easy, Refundit, revolutionizing tax-free shopping.